Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of leather repair kits. Whether you're dealing with scratches, tears, or peeling on your leather furniture, car seats, or jackets, these kits can save you a ton of money. We've rounded up the top 5 best leather repair kits on the market, so stick around to find out which one is the perfect fit for you. All the product links are in the description below. Let's get started. Coming in at number 5, we have the Arsasai Cream Leather Repair Kit. This kit is designed to be user-friendly, even for beginners. It's equipped with a quick-drying liquid adhesive that works well on scratches, tears, holes, and even burn marks. The standout feature here is the excellent color matching system, which allows you to blend shades of white seamlessly with your leather surface. It's suitable for both genuine and synthetic leather and works on furniture, car interiors, shoes, and even handbags. In terms of design and build quality, the package is compact and includes detailed instructions, making it easy to follow. The adhesive dries quickly, which is great for small, quick repairs. However, the cream-based formula might not be ideal for larger or more severe damage, as it lacks the durability of some of the other options on this list. The included color matching guide is helpful, but the kit is best suited for lighter colored leathers. While this kit is affordable and great for small touch-ups, it does fall short when it comes to versatility in color options and durability over time. If you're looking for a beginner-friendly option for minor repairs, this is a solid choice. Pros include its ease of use and quick-drying formula, while cons are its limited color range and less effectiveness on heavily damaged surfaces. At number 4, we have the V-Gorder Brown Leather Repair Kit. This kit is specifically designed for brown leather and includes shades like tan, walnut, and chocolate, making it ideal for repairing brown-toned furniture and accessories. The star feature here is the true-to-life color matching system that blends the repaired area seamlessly with your leather. The quick-drying liquid adhesive is easy to handle and provides a natural finish, while the versatile application works on everything from car seats to wallets. The V-Gorder kit is compact and well-organized, with clear instructions included. The adhesive is high quality and dries relatively fast, but the color matching process does require a bit of trial and error to get it just right. For those new to leather repair, the detailed guide is a great help. However, the kit is somewhat limited to brown tones, so it's not the best choice if you're dealing with leathers of other colors. This kit is excellent for anyone focusing on brown leather items, providing a professional finish with minimal effort. The main pros are its precise color matching system and its versatility across various brown-toned items. The cons include its limited color range and the need for careful mixing to achieve the perfect hue. If brown leather repair is what you need, the V-Gorder kit won't disappoint. Taking the third spot is the On9 Leather Repair Tape. This self-adhesive patch is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a quick, no-fuss solution. Measuring 3 by 60 inches, you can cut the patch to your desired size and apply it directly to the damaged area. It's made of high-quality polyurethane leather, which is soft, smooth, and durable. The tape is also waterproof and wear-resistant, making it ideal for high-use items like car seats and sofas. The On9 Repair Tape shines in its simplicity. There's no need for glue, heat, or complex instructions. Just peel and stick. The black leather patch has a classic texture that blends well with most black leather surfaces. However, it may not be suitable for items with intricate designs or colors other than black. The adhesive holds up well over time, but for larger tears or irregular surfaces, it may not provide as seamless a look as a liquid adhesive kit. This tape is perfect for quick fixes on black leather items and offers an affordable, durable solution. Pros include its ease of application, strong adhesive, and waterproof design. The main con is its limited color and texture options. If you're after a straightforward, budget-friendly solution for black leather, this is a solid pick. In second place, we have the Coconix Leather Repair Patch Tape Kit. This self-adhesive patch offers a versatile solution for a wide range of leather and vinyl surfaces. Measuring 3.1 times 60 inches, it's similar to the O9 tape, but comes in over 20 color options, making it much more versatile. The faux leather material is smooth, waterproof, and wear-resistant, ensuring a strong and lasting repair. It's perfect for fixing scratches, tears, and burns on sofas, car seats, handbags, and jackets. With an easy peel-and-stick application, the Beeswax tape is straightforward to use. The adhesive is strong and durable, and the patch is designed to leave no residue, which is a huge plus. The variety of colors is a standout feature, allowing you to match your furniture or accessories with greater precision. However, it's worth noting that the patch might not work as seamlessly on curved or uneven surfaces. The Beeswax kit is ideal for anyone looking for a quick, customizable repair solution. Pros include its wide color selection, strong adhesive, and ease of use. The only downside is that it may not provide a perfect finish on complex surfaces. For its versatility and practicality, this kit earns its spot as runner-up. And finally, our top pick is the Coconix Leather Repair Kit. This all-in-one solution is perfect for repairing tears, holes, scratches, and peeling on a variety of leather surfaces. What sets this kit apart is its customizable color matching system, which allows you to mix and match colors for an exact match to your leather. It works on both glossy and matte finishes, making it incredibly versatile for furniture, car seats, jackets, and more. The Coconix kit includes easy-to-follow instructions, making it accessible to both beginners and more experienced users. The liquid adhesive is high quality and provides a strong, durable bond. The kit's comprehensive design ensures that you get a professional-grade finish every time. Its versatility, both in terms of color and application, makes it a standout option for almost any leather repair job. The Coconix Leather Repair Kit is the best choice for those looking for a complete, reliable solution. Pros include its customizable color options, durable adhesive, and versatility across various leather finishes. The only con is that it may take a bit longer to mix colors for the perfect match. For its unmatched performance and professional results, Coconix takes the crown as the best leather repair kit on the market. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect leather repair kit for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next one.